I hope you all are doing your work. Okay. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 3, kinds of sentence. Kinds means types of sentence. And what do you mean by sentence? In first chapter, sentence is a combination of words which have a certain meaning. Right? See, types of sentence, there are basically 5 types of sentence. First one is assertive sentence or a statement sentence. We call this sentence as a statement sentence because it gives us a simple statement. This sentence is also called declarative sentence because it declares something. Declare means कुछ ना कुछ ये बात हमें declare करते हैं. For example, the sun rises in the east. This is a declarative sentence. This is a statement sentence because it has given the statements. The sun rises in the east. The statement sentence ends with a full stop only. Okay, beta? Here subject is the sun. Rises is a doing word or a verb, and where it rises in the east. Okay, beta? So first type of sentence, I hope it is clear to you. Next type of sentence, interrogative sentence. This sentence is also called question sentence. Why it is called question sentence? Because in this sentence we can ask a question. Okay, beta? Which type of question we can ask? We can ask question in 2 ways. First one is interrogative or question sentence. These sentence can be start with a WH family words. WH family words. What are WH family words? The words which start from WH. Where, what, why, who. These are the WH family words. By using these WH family words, we can ask a question. For example, what are you playing? आप अभी क्या खेल रहे हैं? What are you playing? What is a WH family word and are is a helping verb here. You is subject here and playing is a verb here. Playing is a doing words here. Clear? These are the action words. And interrogative sentence or a question sentence, it ends with a question mark because we are asking a question. I am asking a question from you na. What are you playing? कि आप क्या खेल रहे हैं? You can answer, I am playing cricket. I am playing carom. Okay, whatever you are playing. So this is an interrogative first type of sentence. Second interrogative sentence, the sentence which starts with helping verb. For example, this question can be asked in other way also by using helping verb. Are you playing? I am asking a question. Are you playing? You can give the answer in yes or no. Yes, I am playing. No, I am not playing. So this is an interrogative sentence which starts with the helping verb. And if we add the WH family word with this helping verb, this is called the interrogative sentence with WH family. What is the difference between these two sentences? In first sentence we are asking a question, are you playing? क्या आप खेल रहे हैं? You can give the answer in yes or no. Yes, I am playing. No, ma'am, I am not playing. In second question I am asking about the what game are you playing? What means what game are you playing? Now you can give the answer, I am playing. What answer? I am playing cricket. Okay, beta? Next one is imperative or a command sentence. Command. As your mother give you a command na, beta study again, do study. Okay, beta? This is a command sentence in which we can give a command. In this sentence, it express command, request, order or a advice. Okay, beta? In this sentence, we can give a command. For example, I can give you the command, open the door, open the book. Request, please give me a glass of water. Okay, beta? Order, do this, study this, do your test properly. Advice, I can give you any advice, take medicine in time. Okay, beta? This is an imperative sentence. And what is the identification of imperative sentence? This sentence starts with verb first form. Come here. Here, come here is a verb first form. Here, no, we will not use any subject. we are not using any subject. It is understood what is subject here. Come here. That means you is a subject here. I am telling to the second person, come here. You come here. Okay, beta. So here subject is hidden. It is understood that the subject is second person you. Come here. It can be the command. It can be a request also. We can we can make a request. Come here, beta. Second one is take medicine. See, this sentence starts with a verb first form. Take is a verb first form now, and medicine is an object. We are not using any subject here. It is understood what is subject here. You take medicine. So subject is hidden here, but it is understood that the subject is always second person. You should take medicine. This sentence starts with verb first form plus object. What is the identification of imperative sentence? Verb first form plus object and ends with full stop only. And in this sentence we express command, request, order or advice. Clear beta? Next one is please give me a glass of water. अब आप कहेंगे मैम यहाँ पे तो हमने प्लीज से स्टार्ट किया बेटा. गिव इज अ वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ना. प्लीज से इट इज क्लियर इन दिस सेंटेंस इट इज अ रिक्वेस्ट. वी आर रिक्वेस्टिंग समवन. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग प्लीज. Whenever I request someone, I use a word please now. But this is no subject. Please is not a subject. Okay? And give is a verb first form. Me a glass of water is a object here. Okay, beta? Now we will do the next type.